What's up guys, my name is Joe, and in this video I'm going to show you a quick fix for random FPS drops in Modern Warfare on PC. Now, this is only if you're using a controller. If you're using keyboard and mouse, this won't help you. I've been having seemingly random FPS drop issues for weeks, and I searched for hours and tried every fix and nothing worked. The other day, I noticed it only happened when I was using controller. I thought I was crazy, so I went into the settings and found that when I switched between keyboard and controller, my FPS would drop from about 120 to about 70. So I went into a private match using my wireless Xbox One X controller, and my FPS was anywhere from 30 to like 100, and then it dipped down to single digits. So I plugged my controller in, and my FPS instantly shot up to 120, 130-ish. These FPS drops happened randomly. I was playing all day with no issues, and got off, then came back on, and had this problem again. So, if you're having random FPS drops and you're using a wireless Xbox controller, plugging it in will fix it. Alright guys, if this video helped you out, please drop a like and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. My name is Joe, and I will see you in the next one.